Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Smart Speaker, and today I'll show you how we can set up the Google recognized voice on this device. So at the first we have to go for the Google Home app. Next we have to find our speaker, tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and then we have to go simply for the recognition and the sharing. So let's go here and tap the recognition and personalization. As you can see, here we get the first option to allow personal results. I just turn it on, it's very useful for me. But when you go below, we can find the voice match. So we can actually teach our assistant to recognize our voice. So let's choose this option. Let's tap on the switcher. And then we can go for the voice model and tap here to retrain our voice model. So right now we have to say OK Google for the 2 times and also Hey Google for the 2 times. But as you can see, OK Google, and then just say another time OK Google. Okay, as you can see, it was changed because in the other version of the recognition voice on the Google app, we have to say for the 2 times OK Google and then Hey Google, but there is changed. So okay, we have to get used to it. Click next. As you can see, it's ready. So right now we can also start saving our audio. So when you go for the Google account activity right here, you will be able to find a very audio activity that you actually use on the speaker. So it's very cool and very useful feature. I think that I'm going to start saving the audio. Let's stop here, and then when you say Hey Google or OK Google, as you can see,
bye for now. Hope you and your loved ones are safe and healthy.
Yeah, as you can hear, right now our XIAOMI Mi Smart Speaker is linked with a Hey Google feature of the Google Assistant, so it's very cool. And yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful,
sorry, I don't understand.
If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.